So today I want to tell you exactly how you can make $10,000 a month from trading.
But what's the catch here? How did we turn this into a net profit of the day?
And if I would have known this thing before, I would have become profitable way faster. And the thing here is, if you have 100 bucks, literally put that 100 bucks. Alright man, welcome to another episode of this vlog, or me giving value, just trading, etc. And it's currently Tuesday. I'm gonna call it the first trading day of the month, because yesterday was US bank holiday, so we couldn't trade. So today is officially the first day we can trade. But today we also have news, okay, red folder news, PMI news at 10 a.m. Eastern time. It's about to be 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, so the market's about to open. As you can see, it's super consolidation. All right, the price is kind of dead, but it will most definitely wake up when the session opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. New York Stock Exchange opens, and then we can start to look for the trade. But I'm gonna trade after the PMI news today. We'll have news, economic news, red folder. So I'm gonna trade after the news, and then I'm gonna start a live trading call with my Discord. If you want to join, you can also join the free section in the description. All right, it has the free course, everything. So it's just a lot of free value for you. But yeah, man, I'm gonna keep it always real as possible. I'm gonna show the losses, I'm gonna show the wins. It's currently, it's September. Last month was crazy, 11-0, really good. We were in a 8-0 winning streak at one point. Crazy month, but you know what, it's last month, okay? That's the thing, guys. You guys need to just focus on what's now, okay? Yeah, sure, like, it was a great last month, I made good money, but I didn't throw myself a party or anything. I just, it's trading, okay? Trading, sometimes there could be a really good month, sometimes there could be okay months. As long as you're profitable, you're making money. But obviously, there are levels. Okay, at how profitable you are, how are you okay, are you break even, okay? So it's just consistency, okay? It's consistency. But yeah, man, I'm gonna start a live trading call soon. So I'm gonna update you guys when I'm gonna trade, all right? All right, man, so I'm gonna go live with my members in 10 minutes. So here's the bias. Currently bearish, super bearish momentum. Is looking real bearish. 4-hour time frame is bearish. We actually broke structure right here, which if we scale down to the lower time frame, so we can see that the trend is already forming up to the downside. And unless we take out any liquidity, I'll still look to short, okay? I'm looking to short unless we take out liquidity, okay? That's the game plan, and we'll see how we do if we find the setup, okay? Yeah, 4-hour time frame liquidity taken out, massive. All right, man, so I just closed the Discord stream. Everybody made bread. Let me explain to you how did they make money with me live trading. So I was live trading with them. I sent out the signals as usual. So let me explain what happened, okay? How did this turn profitable? Look, these two trades. One trade was a loss. Second trade was a win. As you can see, 1 and 1. But what's the catch here? How did we turn this into a net profit of the day? Listen clearly. If you don't know about risk-reward ratio, it is something that you need to learn ASAP. Risk-reward ratio is the key to succeed in trading. Okay? Normally, we just take clear wins, like one trade a day, and usually we ended up with that. But today we took two trades, which one was a loss, one was a win. And as you can see, look at this area compared to the winning area. Okay? In these two, losing area is small, winning area is big. Risk-reward ratio, we make more money than we would lose. That's the power of it, okay? Power is the risk-reward ratio, okay? And if you do not know about risk-reward ratio yet, please just do yourself a favor, learn about risk-reward ratio. And when you have a good risk-reward ratio, good win rate, good strategy, good psychology, you're fucking unbeatable, and you have a money-making machine that nobody can take from you, okay? That's the power of trading and mastering trading. And as you can see, 1 and 1, but we ended up the day profitable. That's a quick little tip for you guys, okay? Risk-reward ratio is powerful. Just a little motivation and facts before I go outside, okay? Listen clearly, okay? Because I'm gonna say it once. Nowadays, it is super easy to be happy and satisfied while being mediocre. Why? Because think about it. They made video games. You have virtual friends, not real friends. Like you can have freaking video game friends. You have corn, not the real thing. All these goddamn distractions are keeping you away from your goals. So please stay away from the distractions and just go towards your goals. Please, okay? Please do it for yourself. And you can be as successful as you believe you can be. That's what's up. But yeah, man, now I'm gonna go outside. Yo, man, look at this view. Sunset. So, man, someone asked me the other day, like, what do you do when you just think about the money and you cannot focus on the markets? Like you're being emotional. So let me tell you something, bro. You need to just ignore the money that you can make and the money that you can lose. Because think about it. You thinking about the money that you can make will cause you to have emotions. And when you have emotions in these markets, it will cause you to have less logic. What does that equal to? You will risk more in the trades for no reason. You will take profits too early for no reason. You will just do dumb mistakes, not follow your trading plan. So please, man, just don't think about the money. Use your risk management and just trust your trading plan. Trust yourself, all right? That's what I do, and that's how I make the money in these markets. And literally, you detaching yourself from the money that you trade with is literally a cheat code, okay? I promise you. Guys, what the hell is going on? Guys, what the hell is going on? Look at this. It's fog. I don't know what is that, smoke. All right, guys, I don't know what happened, but it literally just a second ago, it was just, sunny, almost sunny, like sunset. And now it's just mist. Today, I want to tell you exactly how you can make $10,000 a month from trading. So the first step is to get the right knowledge, obviously, because there's so many gurus out there. Be careful, okay? It's fucking dangerous out there, okay? The second step, if you have $100 and you just started trading, keep that $100 and put it into your pocket and just demo trade, okay? That's the key, okay? Demo trade. And then later, you can literally start to open a mini live account, $100 maximum to get your psychology right. And then the key is to actually master the strategy that you have and build the market intuition, okay? That's literally a life hack. And obviously later, take advantage of the prop firm accounts, okay? Choose a trustworthy prop firm to trade with and they make money. And then later you can move on to the live accounts. That's exactly what I did. And I also went to work a 9-to-5 job to flip burgers to grow my live account. And obviously in trading, the more money you have, the more money you can make. And later, as we discussed earlier, once you start to grow your live account, then you need to detach yourself from the money. And that's how you get to 10K a month from trading, okay? That's the bare minimum, okay? I mean, like, just look at this beauty, bro. Just look at this view. Y'all cannot tell me that this isn't the best way to calm your mind after trading and making money, okay? This is what I like to do. And honestly, you can do what you want. Like, you can read a book, you can do whatever, but this is what I like to do, okay? After trading, I like to go on a walk. Just enjoy life, man. That's what's up, man. All right, man. So if you made it this far, comment down below. I am locked in, and that's how I know you're actually serious about life, about your goals, and about trading. All right, so as usual, I will see you on the other side.